Good morning! Today is Sunday. Kumusta na kayong lahat? Hindi ko pa na-edit guys yung mga ibang video. Hopefully ma-edit ko very soon para maka-upload ako ng bagong video natin kasi I check my YouTube and I saw that it is now 13 days guys na wala akong bagong video. So naalala ko na mag-vlog nga tayo. So ngayon, Sunday, mag-vlog tayo kasi ngayon nga may time tayo na mag-vlog. Kaya ayun. So, tapos na kami nag-breakfast. Gumawa ako ng, ng crepes. And then, bacon and eggs. Tapos, natapos na rin akong naghugas ng mga kailangang hugasin. And now, kinuha ko yung yung mga isda na binili ko kahapon sa kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. So may parang maliliit na isda na yung ginagawang bagoong sa atin. So may 1 kilo ako na ganun. Ang gagawin ko is I will try to make bagoong. So, that is the video for today. We are going to make bagoong, guys. Homemade bagoong. And I also remember that I have a lot of salt. Hopefully nga okay yung natin, guys, yung salt natin. Or marami tayong salt. Hopefully na meron. And ang plano ko today is magluluto sana ako ng fideuà, guys. It is Spanish typical food. Especially sa Sunday, pag family time, ganun. Kaso nga lang, ayaw ng mga bata kasi last Sunday, yun din ang kinain namin and that was so good. Kaya gusto kong lutuin ulit today. Pero sabi nila na hindi na daw. Rice na lang daw. And parang igisa na lang natin itong ito guys. 1 kilo din ang binili ko nito. Itong pusit na maliliit. They call it chipiron. Pero pusit siya guys na maliliit. Yung parang yung pusit, dried pusit sa atin na maliliit guys. Ganon. Ganon yung kalaki nun. I-dry ko nga sana. Kaso nga lang, baka maging maliit din masyado. Tsaka mas lutuin ko na yun for lunch namin. And then, may isa pa akong type. 2 pa akong type. Lenguado guys. It's called soulfish. I think soulfish. Na wala ng skin. So, lutuin ko rin yun. I-deep fry ko for the girls. They will love it. Parang fish and chips. Ganon guys. Yeah. And yun nga, igisa natin itong, guys, or parang adobo, ganon. Ang naalala ko kasi kung paano magluto yung nanay ko noon is, guys, ang mga recados niya ay garlic, ginger, and onion, tapos bay leaves, tapos black pepper. Yun. So parang yun guys, adobo, 'di ba? So ganun ang lutuin ko for lunch namin. ¿Qué tal? Tan chulas, ¿no?
Sí. ¿Qué está haciendo?
Neta dyan?
So, ayun, malinis na ang ating kitchen or ang ating cooktop. And now, i-prepare naman natin ang ating mga ingredients ng adobong pusit. So, ang ingredients natin ay onions, ginger, garlics, bay leaves. So, yun ang ating mga main ingredients, guys. Medyo malalaki ang ating mga pusit kasi hindi siya nahiwa. So, hiwain natin. Ayan na, tapos na ang mga ingredients. Nahiwa na sila ng mabuti. So, hiwain natin konti yung mga pusit. Finally, nahiwa na natin ang ating mga pusit at saka iluto na natin. Every time na magluluto ako guys, kung may ginger, yung ginger and garlic ang palagi kong inuuna. But first, ginger, garlic, and then onion.
It smells so good. So, hindi ko nilagyan ng tubig, guys. Yung liquid na yan is galing na yan sa pusit mismo. So, let's add a little bit of ground black pepper. At hindi na rin natin lagyan, guys, ng asin kasi may maalat kasi yung ano, guys, squid. But, let's try it. Kahit na ganon. Okay guys, so let's try it. Dinagdagan ko konti ng homemade vinegar na ginawa ko 2 years ago. And as in ang sarap guys. That is apple vinegar. And now let's try it. And then pag okay na yung lasa niya, i-off na natin. As in ang sarap guys. Super. Alright guys, so gusto kong kumain ng humigop ng sabaw kasi very cold. So I have a kilo of pork bone ribs here. So yun ang ilagay natin sa ating pressure cooker. Tapos may spinach ako. I'm not sure if I'm going to add some spinach. Pero I have a Chinese cabbage and I also have daikon, a small daikon. So yun ang ilagay natin guys. Sana nga makaabot siya. Kasi as in frozen ito guys. As in frozen really. Pero kaya niyan ng ating pressure cooker.
Now I never get rid of my cherry pits. I'm gonna put them in the fridge and then we'll end up freezing them when I do graham crackers again. The fridge.
At lutuin naman natin ang ating soup or yung pork ribs, guys. So, every time na magluluto ako ng soup, nilalagyan ko siya ng onions. So, ayan, nililinisan ko ang ating onions, tapos yun ang ilagay natin. I-prepare naman natin ngayon ang ating bagoong. So, ayan guys, malinis na yan. Kaso nga lang, may liquids siya. So, linisan ulit natin. Kasi nalinisan ko na yan sa trabaho.
Sigarillo? Molt bé. I la Hailey? Sigarillo? I la Cota? Acabeu, eh? Molt bé, pues. Alright guys, so that is my food. So, vinegar, see? Así preparan al meu menjar, anak. And this is olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. As in guys, for my salad, I love this Borges, this balsamic vinegar, and it is really, really good. This is the only vinegar that I always use in my salads. Sorry guys kung maingay kasi yung ano natin, pressure cooker. So, ubos na siya. Kaya I always have extra guys for my salad. Because this is, kasi ngayon nga, sabi ko sa inyo, this is the only vinegar that I use for my salads. And I use a lot. Tapos, itong gamitin natin guys. Kasi this is as in a super extra virgin olive oil. Yan. So this one is, my husband and I, we decided to use only this for, ano guys, for salads. Kasi as in a super ganda yung olive oil. So, kain tayo guys. Tapos, ito yung kainin ko. This is my lunch. And then, kuha tayo ng, ano, pusit. So, ito na ang ating lunch. Tada! Kain tayo guys. Hello guys, so tapos na kaming kumain and now we are going to watch a film called The Wicked. Yeah, so I'm going to change my clothes, put some color on my face, and that's it. Hello guys, good evening. So we just came back. Kararating lang namin guys dito sa bahay. And yeah, magbihis lang ako. I am wearing a long dress. Not sure if you can see. A brown long dress. Tapos ano guys, magbihis lang ako and then I will continue doing what I am doing in our kitchen, like making the bagoong. So don't forget that I have the fish in there draining a little bit para matanggal yung tubig niya guys. And then we can add the salt. So 1 kilos yun guys, yung ano, more than 1 kilo siguro yung fish na yun. Para sure, lagyan ko ng 2 cups of, ano guys, 2 cups of salt. So yun ang ilagay natin. So let's see. And then we will ferment it for maybe 2 weeks. Let's see guys. Hindi ako nanood ng mga kung paano mag-ferment ng bagoong. But I will just observe it. And then after that, maybe I have to let it. Siguro hindi natin galawin guys, no? Basta ganun lang ang gawin natin. We just leave it at hayaan natin na mag-ferment siya mismo. Diba? Hindi yata i-mixed every now and then. Basta doon lang yata. So, let's see. Pero, after making the bagoong, I will watch some videos and I will check how to ferment. Baliktad, no? Dapat nanood muna ako kung paano mag-ferment ng bagoong and then gagawin kong bagoong pero baliktad siya, guys. So, ayun. Magbihis lang muna ako, guys. Let's see, guys, ang ating tinola. Ay, tinola or asin na, naubos na yung tubig, guys. Let's add a little bit more of water. Pero as in, super lambot niya. Let's add salt. It smells bagoong na siya, guys. So, ayan guys, as in, parang nadurog na siya. So, yung salt niya guys is as in a coarse salt talaga siya. Can you see? So guys, ito lang yung ano ko guys. Meron ako na gloves. Let me wash my hands.
So ayan, nahalo na natin ang ating bagoong guys or yung fish. Tapos pag nahalo na ng mabuti, ilagay na natin sa malinis na container, na glass container. Tapos iburo natin ng weeks or months, and then pag okay na siya, then you can start using it. So ayun, as in I'm so happy.
And now it's boiling, guys. So we are going to cut this and then we will put in. Hi guys, I forgot to show you kung ano ang mga nilagay ko dito. Nilagyan ko ng rabanos or labanos, isang eggplant at saka dahon guys or Chinese cabbage. And I slices also the fish. Tapos i-ano na lang natin ito guys, tong butter na ito. Para siyang harina guys. Harina siya, but for fish, especially for fish. Kaya, ayan. And then we will fry it. Para may salt yung ano. Prepare na yun guys. Kaso nga lang, mas gusto ko na lagyan ng salt. Para may lasa ang ating isda. Sana hindi ko nadamihan. So, ayan. My hand is clean guys, okay, so don't bother. This kind of fish is very sensitive. I mean sensitive, delicate. So yun na guys, ang fish. So ito na guys, ito na yung ating food na sinigang. Ano ang tawag nito? Basta ko kung ano na lang ang inilagay ko guys. Na meron ako na gulay yan. Kain tayo. See, it's nice, no?
Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and see you again soon. Bye!